How can I bulk create in Django REST serializer? I used to use allow_add_remove equals true, which was available in Django REST 2.0 for writing nestable serializer, but it's not available in 3.0, and I am having hard time implementing it. I want to do something like this. Now I am not able to know how can I implement the allow_add_remove behavior in DRF 3.0. I am confused that do I need to override create and update method of user serializer, or I need to create separate idea list serializer for every model.
Yes, you do need to override create and update methods of your user serializer. I've spent a lot of time trying to make nested writable serializers work with drf2.x, and the more I fixed issues, the more issues were risen with corner use cases. Therefore, Tom decided that it should be left up to the developer to handle the creation and updates. The documentation provides an example for a one nesting level creation, but it's the same for update and or with more nesting level.
If you want to explore, please consider subscribing.